So let me do this one very quickly, right? Let me do this one very quickly. No time to waste, because we barely have about 5-6 minutes for NFP to be released. And tell you the truth, I didn't intend to trade NFP, but because I've had a lot of people asking me on Twitter, even on my Instagram DM, then I decided to come and show you guys something quickly, share my 2 cents, and then you can just advise yourself with it. If you look here, right, we have the NFP data to be released. We have previous previous unemployment rate sitting at 3.7 in the United States, and now they are saying that unemployment rate has increased to 3.6, which means that a lot more people have become unemployed than usual. Now the number reflects here, because if you look here, you see that previous number of job created were 236, and then currently in this month the new jobs that were created were 181. So it's like everything is pointing towards a weak dollar, right? Everything is kind of pointing towards a weak dollar. But now you want to watch how that pointing towards a weak dollar, right, reflects on the market in terms of the storyline. Let me put on the XY here as well, so that we see something different. Let's see, where's the XY? Okay, the XY is here, right? So me, when I'm trading NFP, I only like to watch 4 pairs: DXY, XAUSD, GBPUSD, and then Euro USD. So if you look at DXY, right now, it's like everything I'm saying is that everything is pointing towards a weak dollar. But tell you the truth, this week's market has been the one that is not really telling any story to the dollar, right? Normally, when we have like an NFP like this, and then we have like DXY sitting here, and then me explaining the fact that I'm expecting a weak dollar, you know that technically we're expecting like this market to kind of, drop here. Why are we expecting it to drop? Because obviously it's already sitting in that resistance level, so it kind of makes sense for us to think. So NFP becomes like that catalyst to just push it down, right? But today, look at where it is already, right? So it's already here, right? It's already here. So it means that if I'm expecting a dollar to continue being weak, then technically it's just going to be like, a push down like this, which does not already define any any technical movement. But that's what the data is saying, And then the same for GBPUSD. If you look at GBPUSD, it's already sitting here, right? The most likely resistance region that I would have expected it to be in is this previous resistance here, which is not quite close. You can see that it has some few more pips to kind of get into that zone. If we mark this by the pip range from the current price, that's just about how many pips? About 50 pips to get to that level. If you look at Euro USD as well, Euro USD is just like doing its own thing. Last time, what it did was just like running through this resistance range, coming back into that range, and then now selling off, right? So bias wise, I kind of think that with the data already pointing towards a bearish movement, right, which is like a weak dollar, then I want to see, if the data comes out exactly as this, then we may see some continuation in a sell-off. Like already we can see that XAUSD is selling off already, which shows like a weak dollar. We may also see the same for GBPUSD selling off, and then we may also see the same for Euro USD also like continuing the same sell-off. But if I don't see anything like that, then I might as well just advise myself and then stay out of the market. So we have about 2 minutes and 19 seconds for NFP to release. So that's like my 2 cents for you. I hope you guys benefit from it, and also stay active on my Telegram community. If I find something I'll genuinely trade it, I'll share it in the community as well. Peace.